This is the secret to finally stop snoring. I've tried so many anti-snoring products and hacks, but nothing worked. I got this mouthpiece from ZQuiet and it completely transformed the way I sleep. It gently opens up airways to target the problem at the source. I just put this in before bed and I sleep quietly the whole night. It's not uncomfortable at all. I can barely feel it in my sleep. The ZQuiet is a game changer. I can finally get a full night's sleep without snoring. If you want to finally stop snoring, you have to check this out.